In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in Microsoft Edge. Whether you're trying to make small text easier to read or want a closer look at images and details on a web page, zooming in is quick and flexible in Edge. I'll walk you through several simple ways to do it, so you can choose the method that feels most natural for you. First, open Microsoft Edge and navigate to any web page you'd like to view more closely. Once the page is loaded, you have a few convenient options. One of the fastest methods is the keyboard shortcut. On Windows, press Ctrl and the plus key together. On a Mac, press Command and the plus key. Each press increases the zoom in roughly 25% steps, so you can tap it a few times until the content looks just right. You'll see the page enlarge immediately, which is perfect for quick adjustments without touching the mouse. If you're using a mouse on Windows, another smooth option is to hold down the Control key and scroll the mouse wheel upward. This gives you very fine control as you ease in gradually, and it's great for when you want to stop at a very specific size. Release the key when the page reaches a comfortable zoom level. On a laptop with a touchpad, use a reverse pinch gesture to zoom in. Place 2 fingers on the touchpad and move them apart, just like you would on a smartphone. This is a natural, tactile way to control magnification, and it works well when you're browsing casually or reading long articles. If you prefer using on-screen controls, click the Settings and More icon, the 3 dots in the top right corner of Edge. In the menu that opens, look for the Zoom section. You'll see a percentage indicator and a plus button next to it. Click the plus button to zoom in step by step. This method is especially helpful if you want to see the exact zoom level, or if you prefer clicking over shortcuts. A couple of quick tips as you go. Zooming in only changes how the current page is displayed in your browser. It doesn't affect your computer's overall display settings. Some pages may rearrange slightly at higher zoom levels, so adjust until the layout feels comfortable and readable. And if you ever go a bit too far, simply reverse the same action you used to gently bring the zoom back down. That's it. Pick the method that suits your setup and browsing style and enjoy a clearer, more comfortable view in Microsoft Edge.